Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video demonstrates how to correctly install Ledgestone decorative panels into a Napoleon Ascent Linear Premium Gas Fireplace. To install the decorative panels, remove the safety barrier and glass door. From here, you will need to remove the baffle. Next, locate and drill out the dimples on the back and side panels. The dimples are located above the media tray, on the back and both sides of the firebox. Install the 3 panel brackets on the back and sides of the panels, through the drilled holes. Place the decorative panels in the correct locations on the back and sides of the firebox. The decorative panels are identified with an arrow which points up, a letter R, and a letter L, all located on the back of each panel. When installing the decorative panels, be careful not to scratch the paint on the front surface to maintain their aesthetic. Lastly, reinstall the baffle to complete the decorative panel installation. See the video description for all manual, leaflet, and part numbers for this decorative panel kit. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.